Happening now. This is happening now live. Happening now live. Along the Ishiweke Road. You can see the car has been set ablaze. This is happening in Ishiweke live. Happening live now in Ishiweke. Happening live. You can see the car has been set ablaze. Ishiweke now is. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I like him. This guy won supporter. I like him. They have an election there. Oh, bonko. Bonso Budiko. Ishiweke is now hot. There is fire on the mountain right now in Ishiweke.